Hey y'all. Oh. Hey. How y'all doing? Just want to make this quick video with me doing some neighborhood services, I guess, for human services. Being a community, being involved in my community. How y'all doing? Yes, I'm blue, feeling like the sky today. I'm dressed like the sky. This ain't my outfit, y'all. This is just my cleaning outfit. Y'all know I'm being a diva, right? But I'm out here because I'm going to be cleaning. That's right, cleaning. Look at the garbage. There's garbage out here. Oh, and bugs. I just ran into some bugs, y'all. But I'm finna be cleaning. Look at all this garbage. Look at this. Look at this. And it's a dead squirrel out here. God bless the squirrel soul. But I gotta clean around the dead squirrel. Great. This is not good. Y'all like, where's the dead squirrel? Right there. Oh. I'm putting my mask on too. Anyway, God bless the squirrel soul. But got my cleaning thing right here, see? Boom, that was easy. Now I'm finna be cleaning, and I guess y'all can take a look. Really? Okay, well, I'm gonna take care of that later. But y'all see what I'm doing, so I would advise y'all to get involved in y'all community as well and start, doing some cleaning and stuff, because it is junky as hell out here. My new toy, y'all like my new toy? It's my new toy, baby. All right. Let y'all see how it look. God bless his soul. So I got some work cut out for me, and I'll be back. Hey y'all. How y'all doing? Okay, I'm done cleaning. I'm tired, but I want to show y'all what I did. Right? Oh, car's coming. Okay. Now I cleaned over here, but it's obvious some garbage gonna fly, so I pick that up. Put this here for the birds, y'all, for them to eat. And I think I saw someone put some garbage down while I was cleaning that. So y'all, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm in a hurry because I'm hungry. But I cleaned up all this. I was gonna go over there, but I changed my mind. But I just had to clean this whole strip right here. This car's coming fast. Guess I can't cross the street right now. But I believe I saw somebody put some garbage right there when I was cleaning, y'all. On some straight monkey ball. But here we go. Okay? Here we go. So while I was cleaning up that, right? I don't need to get hit. Yeah, I knew it. Somebody threw a bottle down. This is the level of petty in the world. The world is petty. Look. Anyway, may they burn in hell. But look, okay, so see what happened? See? Ta-da! I was doing my cleaning, y'all. Sorry if I'm moving too fast, but I want y'all to see what I'm doing. Okay? So, yeah, I did it. It was rigorous. Oh, the bird. That same bird been following me all day. Hey, I guess it's thankful. You welcome. Oh, you got some little friends over there too. They really happy that I climbed up down here, these birds. This is interesting. I gotta film some wildlife because I'm like, I never seen this over here before. Yeah, you see the birds? There's one of them. There's a pack of them over there too. Focusing in. I want to get close to them. I want to see if they're gonna run from me. Let's hope they don't run from me, y'all. On this Easter Sunday. A holiday, I like to call it, but I'll be nice. Look how clean it is. Since I cleaned up, these birds been kind of following me. I guess they thanking me. The Most High work in mysterious way. See how clean it is? See, I cleaned up all of the dirt and mess and all that stuff. It was a lot of glass, a lot of cigarette butts, a lot of black and mouths. Humans are just really nasty creatures. They not running from me. It's like they thanking me. This is so cute. Oh, there's one right there. Oh, this is too cute, God. Oh my God, God making me blush. God is making me blush, yeah. This is just too cute. Oh. They some cute birds too. They are not running from me. That's kind of weird though. They are not running from me. There's squirrels down here now. Wow. Okay, I'm impressed. But just wanted to show y'all the work I did. Now the animals are congregating down here now. Wow. Now that's impressive. But I hope y'all having a blessed day, a night, however y'all getting this. And the message in this is, I guess, is clean up, clean up, clean up. Clean up the earth. Just clean up where you stay. It's easy stuff you can do like this, you know. So, over and out.